Hello students, welcome to Science Fact Educations. Today I am going to solve a problem, and in this problem it is given that select the right expression for determining packing fraction of NaCl unit cell, and we have to assume this NaCl is ideal. And the condition is given that if ions along an edge diagonal are absent, then what should be the packing fraction? Okay, so we have to find out the expression for that. As we know that packing fraction that should be equal to volume of sphere, and let's suppose that all ions either sodium plus or Cl minus, they are sphere. Okay, so volume of sphere, total sphere, volume occupied by sphere, this is the volume occupied by sphere divided by total volume of unit cell, total volume of unit cell, that is the packing fraction. So volume occupied by sphere, to find this you should know number of spheres that is actually present in this system according to these conditions. So we know that in case of NaCl, chloride minus, these ions present at CCP lattice, these ions present at CCP lattice, and the unit cell of this CCP lattice is nothing but a FCC unit cell. Okay, while sodium plus, these ions are present at all octahedral void. So on the basis of this information we can draw a picture, and then we have to apply the condition whatever given in these questions. Let's suppose that chloride ions, it is represented by red sphere, and sodium plus, it is represented by yellow sphere. Then if ions along an edge diagonal are absent, then what should be the picture of this unit cell? Okay, so let's suppose that we have these pictures, complete pictures. First I will draw complete picture, then I will apply the condition whatever given in questions, okay, for better understanding. So chloride minus, that is present at CCP lattice and it is represented by red sphere. So this is chloride ions. Okay, at all corner and at all face center. Okay, while sodium plus, these ions are present at all octahedral void. So we know that the position of octahedral void or location of octahedral void, that is at all edge center and at the body center or center of the cube, we can say that. If we apply this condition, then we have to remove these edge diagonal atoms or ions. Okay, and you can see that all the ions are nothing but a sodium plus ions. So these sodium plus ions will be removed along this edge diagonal. This is called edge diagonal. Okay, because this diagonal is present at the edge center, that is why this is called edge diagonal. So the effective number of sodium plus according to starting statement, if you see that at all octahedral void, that means in case of FCC lattice the effective number of octahedral void, that is 4. But if we remove all these 3 atoms, then what will happen? 2 edge center ions, that is sodium plus ions, are going to remove. So that is why 2 into 1 by 4, because their contribution is only 1 by 4 with respect to one unit cell. That is why that should be multiplied by 1 by 4 plus 1 atom will be completely removed. This will result what? 5 by 2. So we have 5 by 2 sodium plus ions. However, there is no effect in case of chloride ions, even after applying this condition. So the effective number of chloride ions, that should be equal to still 4. Okay. Now, packing fraction, come to this formula. Volume occupied by sphere, but we have two types of sphere with respect to sodium plus and with respect to chloride ions. So, packing fraction, we know that the volume of sphere, that is nothing but 4 by 3 pi r cube, but we have two types of radius. So, 4 by 3 pi r plus cube. But the effective number of sphere of sodium ions, that is equal to 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 into, this is the correct expression, 5 by 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. That is the volume of total cations. Plus we have total number of anions, that is equal to 4. So 4 into 4 by 3 pi r minus cube divided by total volume of unit cell. We have FCC system, and FCC system, that is this unit cell, that is forming by chloride ions. That is why we know that for FCC R equal to A by 2 root 2. This is the relation with respect to FCC system. So A is equal to R A 2 root 2. Okay, this is the expression. R, one second, A is equal to R 2 root 2. But this R is nothing but R minus, because FCC unit cell, that is created by chloride ion. That is why we have taken R minus. Okay. So of course A cube is equal to 16 root 2 R minus cube. So this is the volume, 16 root 2 R minus cube. If you take common, that is 4 by 3 pi and 4 by 3 pi, then you will get this expression, that is option B. So the correct option should be B. Thank you for watching this video.